Hi guys, okay. I'm Mary. Today we will talk about the supplement to burn fat and lose weight. As I always say around here, no supplement does the job alone. No one will take a supplement and will dry out if it was easy, so everyone would have abs Tanquinhall. When good supplementation is used in the right way in conjunction with other actions, this can make all the difference. This can greatly enhance your results. There are supplements designed to speed up weight loss, each with its main formulation. Many people are having great results with Biofit, and you can actually get those results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a different way. This is a bit obvious. It is important that you are realistic about your treatment and your expectation. Biofit helps mobilize fat molecules to be burned during training and helps control blood sugar levels by increasing fat burning, reducing hunger, compulsion, will help you reduce appetite, will help in fluid retention. All this will help in slimming. Those who are overweight dieting need to have a more controlled appetite, need the intestine to function well, you need to reduce inflammation levels. All this burns fat. After many laboratory tests, researchers and experts in the field have identified that in Biofit there is a natural formula with high-quality concentrated ingredients. Biofit has been tested and approved by more than 68,000 people. Research shows that in different countries they are making use of Biofit. You can definitely rely on this product. Many people are having great results with Biofit, and you can also get these results. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. I am telling you this so that you are realistic about your treatment, following the manufacturer's guidelines, to get the desired result. The supplement is a fiber that people use a lot to help in the intestine, and really it helps a lot. The benefits of it do not stop there. In addition to improving the trapped intestine, Biofit can also help reduce blood sugar levels. If the person is in the process of slimming, they have fluid retention from the moment you begin to reduce swelling. The person himself already feels more motivated. Biofit is antioxidant which improves his health, prevents aging, protects the brain against diseases. I really hope this video has helped you, and if you have any questions you can leave them in a comment below. I'll be happy to help you. Remember, if you want to buy Biofit, I will leave the link from the official website down in the description of the video. Good luck with your treatment. I hope you have a great day.